Well, some more of the Booths Real Old Willow to show you in this video. And the interesting thing about these teacup trios is those handles on the teacups. If you look at most Booths Real Old Willow teacups, you'll see quite a flat top, not this little spur that comes up, the thumb spur. Really nice to use this, but that extra design was only used for a short period of time, probably in the 50s or 60s, because these are fully gilded versions. Austerity period, post-war, they didn't have all this gilt decoration around the rims, but let's just show you over this teacup trio. Lovely decoration in the floor of this teacup, very English style with this almost straight wall, then nips right back on this tight insert that comes down onto the base plate, which has a further little pedestal foot. 1.75 inch across there with a 2-inch well. The thing we always say about Booths is there's always some movement between the teacup and the saucer. The wells weren't tight, never designed to hold the teacup particularly tightly. That's probably why so many of these got broken over the decades, almost a century that they've been in production. Nice real Old Willow A8025 marks on the base there with Booths made in England. That's sitting on these little saucers, which are just beautifully decorated. Just look at that. Scallop rim, gilt round the outer side, gilt on the inner walls, and then the rendition of the blue willow pattern there. All the elements of it there from Booths. And same on these small version side plates, 6 1/8 inch these. The larger size plates were 6 7/8, but these ones come through at 6 1/8. Again, the birds on these, quite sort of podgy looking pair of birds on the transfer design that they've used on these, but otherwise absolutely lovely. And again, matching marks on the base here. So nice trios with rare collectible teacups in very nice vintage near antique condition. 1940s, probably a little later into sort of 1950s for these with the gilt, and fine period pieces of vintage English Booths Real Old Willow. They're available from the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to our website listing where you can find all the measurements, details and pricing of these trios from us here in the UK. Thanks for watching.